Happy New Year! So here we are. We're standing on the precipice of another year. And I guess I should say that the beginning of the year is not merely about the flipping of the calendar. You know, the clock strikes 12 and voila, we have a brand new year. But rather, it's an opportunity for a fresh start. It's an opportunity for a brand new beginning. It's almost as if we've been given a clean sheet of paper or a brand new canvas, and it's waiting to be written on. It's waiting for us to paint it with our aspirations, our hopes, and our dreams. Yeah, man, the beginning of the year is a moment of reflection and anticipation. It's a chance for us to set the stage for the chapters that of our lives that are going to unfold over the next 12 months. And so the question becomes, how do we ensure that we get our year off to the right start? As Bob said, I'm very much aware of how important it is to get off to the right start. And so I want to quickly share 4 ideas with you. The essence really of getting off to the right start for the new year. A journey of intentionality, a journey of growth, a journey of boundless possibilities. The first thing you should do is reflect on the past. Before you eagerly dive into the unknown waters of the new year, I think you should take a little time out to look back over your shoulder, glance back at the year that is just ending. You know, what are some of the accomplishments you have that you're really proud of? You know, these are going to boost your self-confidence, boost your self-esteem heading into the new year. What are some of the lessons that you gleaned in the old year that you can now apply as you move into the new year? Reflecting on the past allows us to glean wisdom, appreciate our journey, and discern the path that we wish to chart in the upcoming year. Secondly, set clear intentions. Clarity is key. The foundation for a successful new year lies in setting very clear intentions. Exactly what do you want to achieve? In what ways do you hope to grow? What are some of the changes you aspire to make? This is a time of year when so many people set New Year's resolution. We all know that. But here's the difference. Intentions, unlike resolutions, are not mere promises. They are not wishes. They are thoughtful, deliberate commitments that guide our actions. They act as a compass, directing us towards our desired destination. Thirdly, embrace growth and learning. As I said earlier, the new year offers us this blank slate, right, that we can use for our personal and professional growth. It's a call for us to embrace a growth mindset, this belief that challenges are really opportunities for growth and learning and development. They're not roadblocks. So whether it's acquiring new skills, pursuing further education, stepping out of your comfort zone, a commitment to growth sets the stage for this transformative year that you so deserve. And fourthly, gratitude. As you go charging ahead in pursuit of the goals that you have set for yourself, please don't forget the power of gratitude. As you forge ahead, take a moment to reflect and appreciate the people, the experiences, the opportunities, all of which have enriched your life. Gratitude, my friend, becomes this powerful fuel that ignites, that propels you towards your goals, propels you forward with a heart full of appreciation. So as we step into the new year, let's embark on this journey with intention, with purpose, and an unwavering belief in our ability to shape our own destinies. Getting off to the right start involves a conscious effort to reflect, set intentions, embrace growth and learning, and being grateful. May this year be a chapter of growth for you. May it be a year of joy, a period of fulfillment, a testament to your capacity to make each moment count. Keep on pushing.